Within the exclusive club of raptors, secretary birds are considered to be among the most ferocious, despite living on the ground. In this scene, a secretary bird was courageously dancing around a king cobra. Using the heavy scales of its lower legs, he started stamping on the reptile's body while he was trying to bite him, and didn't stop until the cobra ceased to move. The repetitious attacks ended the life of a king and crowned the secretary bird as the new ruler of the soil. It seems that this hunting technique is favored by these raptors. Two secretary birds used it while hunting down a rabbit. The poor quarry tried to dodge their fatal attacks by running away, but they had full control of the arena. They smashed his body using their legs in short notice. Their attacks must have shattered the rabbit's entire skeleton. This killer queen was strutting in the bushes in search for food. Her eyes spotted a snake that was slithering in stealth, and so the performance began. She started bending her legs and moving them hastily, inflicting serious damage to the reptile. Afterwards, the proud bird stopped for a moment to take a curtain call with her prey. A medium-sized snake that has been smashed during this special dance. Another dancing queen confused a snake with the strange movements of her legs, giving the reptile no chance to retaliate, nor the opportunity to flee. He quickly cracked under this high-speed stamping and ended up dead in the grass. This cocky secretary bird stole the show after performing his frenzied dance to kill a snake. Later on, he carried the corpse of the reptile with his beak and started swallowing him on sight. No doubt, he is the most dangerous dancer in the savannah.